Today we'll be making this easy DIY detangler that will stop hair loss using only 4 Ayurvedic ingredients, so let's get into it. So week 7 of our NIAN Ayurvedic challenge focuses on moisture this week, making this DIY detangler that can be added as a pre-poo or as a styler at the end of your wash day. Now we made a gel detangler earlier in this challenge, but this time I wanted to add something different, so let's get to mixing. Alright, so we're going to begin on the stove with 4 cups of distilled water into a saucepan. Next up, we're going to add about 6 or 7 florets of hibiscus. Now you can use hibiscus tea or whatever hibiscus you may have. Then we're going to begin with 1/3 cup of our slippery elm, 1/3 cup of our marshmallow root powder, and we're going to let this go into a rolling boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now you'll see lots of strings of mucilage start to form, and then we're going to add 1 cup of distilled water, followed up with 1/3 cup of our flax seeds. Now we're only going to boil these flax seeds for 10 minutes, so start this on a slow simmer, and we're going to wait until our water gets very gelatinous from all the mucilage from all of these plants. Alright, so go ahead, set off to the side after about 10 minutes and strain your mixture into a pantyhose, or in this case I'm using a nut milk bag, which you can find in my Amazon store down below. Go ahead and strain this beautiful mixture and get all of the slip and goodness that I'll tell you about that can help prevent hair loss. So this week we'll be focusing on the flaxseed as well as the hibiscus, because in the previous video we talked about slippery elm and marshmallow roots, so check that out if you missed that content. And y'all, look how thick and gelatinous this mixture is. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply it to our hair so I can tell you about how these 2 herbs help to prevent hair loss. Now y'all, I'm going to start right on my dry strands. My hair needs a good detangling session. Again, just showing you a little bit of how gelatinous this mixture is. And I'll be parting my hair into sections and then adding this right to my dry strands. I really want to show you guys how wonderful of a detangler this is. And again, that's due to the mucilage found in all 4 of these particular herbs. But y'all, in a previous video, I spoke about 6 vitamin deficiencies that can cause hair loss. And one of them I mentioned was linoleic acid or alpha linoleic acid. Now, flax seeds actually contain alpha linoleic acid, which is omega-3 fatty acids. Now, we can use flax seeds topically as well as internally, but omega-3 fatty acids are said to help lower inflammation in the body and on the scalp. So if you're suffering from hair loss due to inflammation, which can be the cause of a number of hair issues, from male and female pattern hair loss to even certain forms of cicatricial alopecia. Additionally, inflammation on the scalp not only can lead to hair loss, but other scalp issues such as dandruff and other forms of dermatitis. However, flax seeds are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but they also contain B vitamins, which are known to help your hair grow stronger and healthier, as well as vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to reduce free radical damage on your hair follicles and promote stronger hair follicles as well, which prevents hair loss. Alright, now going on to the hibiscus. Hibiscus is rich in amino acids, which I talked about in another video as a key nutrient necessary for hair growth. Now, amino acids help to bind to the structure of our hair, providing stronger, more manageable hair strands. Additionally, hibiscus also contains a mucilage found in the crushed flowers and leaves, leaving a conditioned, slimy effect to your hair, providing moisture to the hair strands. Also, in some more recent research, hibiscus was shown to help prevent baldness and was said to be equally as effective as finasteride and minoxidil, which are hair loss treatments. Not only that, but hibiscus is great for treating dandruff, itchy scalp, and preventing premature graying. Alright, so now that you have applied this to your hair strands, let's go ahead and rinse this off and begin our shampoo process. Now I'm going to be using our purple shampoo because it contains marshmallow root and slippery elm as well. We're getting these benefits and nutrients really deep into our hair follicles, cleaning our hair and making sure everything is open and ready to receive our deep conditioner. Again, this wash day is focusing on all of these herbs used in tandem with each other. Now again, y'all, I'm using my Brightening Lights conditioner because it also contains slippery elm and marshmallow root, and we will use the slip found in this conditioner to help us detangle our hair strands. After we deep condition our hair for 30 minutes with steam, we're going to rinse this out and then follow up with our leave-in conditioner. And I'll be using our hibiscus and shea cream because the hibiscus and shea cream contains obviously hibiscus, but as well as marshmallow and slippery elm. So this wash day, we're getting all of these nutrients in multiple doses, and our hair will thrive and thank you for it later. All right, so today I'm actually just styling my hair into large twists. Honestly, y'all, I thought I was going to break down these twists into smaller twists, but in the morning I was actually feeling a completely different hairstyle and gave myself 2 side twists and added some beads to it. Now I'm going to go in and actually do a crown braid or halo braid type of hairstyle. So if you're not good at flat twisting or cornrowing, this is the simple, easy approach. You're going to get your marley hair and you're going to put it into a large braid and then attach that to your ponytail. Now y'all, I've braided my ponytail up in the back, so that's what I've done with the rest of my hair. And you're going to just wrap the halo braid around your hair in a circular fashion. All right, so then go ahead and pin up any of the loose pieces and pin it to make sure that it is not going to be moving and coming off anytime you do anything. So what about that little piece of that little braid back in the back of my hair? I'm just going to tuck it under, either on top or underneath, wherever I can hide it in this style. Now, y'all, you do have the option of also braiding your hair into the marley hair to prevent having to do this additional step. But I was feeling extra lazy. Okay, so y'all, this is the final result, y'all. I just put on my work clothes. I absolutely love the style. Of course, I'm gonna add in my glasses as well. Y'all know I'm totally feeling this look right now. Giving educated school teacher-ish. But you guys, make sure this week you also try to consume some flax seeds in your diet if possible as well. Don't forget, this challenge is an overall wellness challenge, which means we should be eating healthy, drinking our water, and getting our teas in. So make sure you guys stay tuned for Sunday as we do our live, as I pick some giveaway winners, and stay tuned for next week as we use our Amla Fenugreek Gloss Bar. But that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.